Fly fishing in the Socha Valley offers an enchanting experience for anglers and nature lovers alike. Nestled in Slovenia, this picturesque region is renowned for its crystal clear emerald waters, stunning alpine landscapes and rich biodiversity. The Socha River, often referred to as the Emerald River, flows through the valley, providing the perfect habitat for a variety of fish species, including brown trout, rainbow trout, grayling, and the elusive marble trout. The fishing season typically runs from March to October, with the best opportunities during the spring and early summer months when the fish are most active. Fly fishing anglers can explore numerous spots along the river, from tranquil pools to fast-flowing riffles, each offering unique challenges and rewards. The surrounding mountains and lush greenery create a serene backdrop, enhancing the overall experience. Local guides are available to help both beginners and seasoned anglers navigate the waters and find the best fishing spots. You will need a variety of tackle to get the best from this river. At the right times of year, the dry fly sport can be incredible. There are some huge fish in this river, and I would suggest that a 5-weight rod is essential. You can of course use the ever popular Euro nymphing technique, which is well suited to the crystal clear waters of this river. The weather can change in a heartbeat, so ensure you take quality waterproof clothing. Beyond fishing, the Socha Valley is a haven for outdoor activities, including hiking, kayaking and cycling, making it an ideal destination for those seeking adventure and tranquility in nature. Whether casting a line or simply soaking in the scenery, fly fishing in the Socha Valley is truly an unforgettable experience.